we divide 207 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 10 means 20. On subtracting we get 0. And now we put down the number beside this 7. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So now it became 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 207 divided by 2 is 103.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.